everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this video, I'll be bass fishing with the Megabass Swing Hot. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Want to welcome you to the next video. And in this video, as you already heard, we'll be fishing with the Megabass Swing Hot Popper. And I'm here to tell you, everybody, this lure is incredible. So much fun to fish. What I want to do is jump right into our closer look, and I'll come back and give you my thoughts. All right. Hey everybody, here we are to do our closer look, and I wanted to show it here to you. It is Megabass's Swing Hot Pencil Popper here. The actual length is 2.4 inches long. It weighs a 1/4 ounce. And actually in Japan, this is actually known as the Pop S. I'll go into more detail about it, but I want to show everybody something here about it. Is that the thing that the actual hooks are hanging on, that actually spins and rotates, which means that the bass are never able to grab hold to the hook, get leverage, and throw the hook. So they've actually put those rotating pieces on here that allow for the bass to be unable to throw the actual hook. It's got the typical Megabass eyes looking down right here. And I want to share with you some modifications that I'm going to make to this lure. I've already been fishing with this lure and have had success, but I think there's some things that can make this thing work a little bit better. I'm actually going to add a split ring to the front of the cup mouth here, because that will allow it to have more action when it pops as well. And also, I'm going to add a actual feathered treble hook to the back of the actual lure itself, as you can see right there. And I'm going to add that in there along with the split ring in the front here. And the split ring in the front will allow the actual lure to move a lot more freer when I attach it to my line, which gives it more action. And then the feather hook in the back will allow, when I'm on the pause, for there to be some type of flaring and pulsating while I'm preparing to move the actual lure again. So I'm going to do these two modifications to it, and what I really believe will happen is that will definitely improve my actual opportunities to get strikes, because it already has an excellent hookup ratio, but I think I'm going to improve my overall strike opportunities by adding this to it. So those are the things, and then I will show you what this looks like once I made the modifications. Okay. And there it is with the modifications here. I removed the back one from it, and I put this treble on the back here with the feather tail. And see how colorful that is right there? And that'll flare when this pauses. This actual hook is the same size as the hook that I removed. So regards to hook size, I was able to match the exact same hook size. The only difference is I actually this hook has a feather on it. As you can see on the front, I added the leader on the front of it so that it actually has that little catch on the front so that I can hook to that instead right there. So I added that little piece onto it as well. And so now this lure is now modified and ready to go back out on the water to see what I can make happen with it. Okay. Okay, we're back. Hope you enjoyed that close-up look at this lure. I want to show it to you one more time here. That Megabass Swing Hot right there. And what makes this so powerful is that little swinging piece right there that's attached to the actual lure itself. That piece right there, and it's also in the back here, as you can see as well, those rotate, which means when the bass hits, these treble hooks are really going to stick to that fish, and that fish really will have no opportunity to throw this lure. And that's something that makes this such a powerful popper right here. Also, once again, that cut mouth, as you saw right there, and it has a cut-off cut mouth instead of just all the way around. So it pushes a lot of water when you are looking at it. Give you some specs on it real quick here. In the video you're going to watch, I fished it on one day with a bait caster, second day with spinning tackle. So I used two different types of reels. They worked great. Both rods were 7 feet, and the line, whether it was spinning tackle or bait caster, was 20-pound braid. So I fished straight braid all the way through, and I had some really great results. I got this lure, just so you know, I got this lure from the Hookup Tackle, and the online price of it at the Hookup Tackle was $15.99. So that's what I paid for it, and that's kind of the specs on it as well. What I want to do is really get this out on the water so you can see it in action, and you'll really be impressed with it here. But we want to do a couple of things here just so you guys know what's coming up. On Thursday, I'll be doing my top 5, and this week's top 5 will be the top 5 topwater fall bass fishing lures. So in other words, this is my top 5 topwater lures for fall fishing. So that's what this one's going to be about, and I'll share with you my 5 lures that I'm using that I really believe in that can catch fish on top water in the fall. So that's what we're going to do there. And also in regards to staying connected, as you'll see right here, as always, please be sure to join our text alert. That's 31996 and the word Topwater. That's 31996 and the word Topwater. That puts you on a text alert. Therefore, that allows you to be a part of any contests and giveaways that I'm going to give away when I reach 4,000 subscribers. But then also be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you are connected to me that way as well, because that's a part of being a part of the community. So those are our little housekeeping issues. I want to get us out on the water here, and I want you to be sure to watch this video to the very end, because on the final fish that I catch on this lure, it's going to be incredible. It will blow your mind. And I love to get your comments and thoughts about it at the end here. Also, if you've ever seen this lure before, if you've ever fished with it before, please leave a comment below, because I haven't seen too many people fishing with this particular topwater lure. So I'm curious what your results are if you've used it. So once again, it's Topwater Johnny. Go ahead, enjoy the video, and I'll be talking to you soon. All right. All right, everybody, here is my Swing Hot with the actual modifications made to it. So we're going to take it out here and put it to work this morning and see what happens. All right. There we go. Sling popper. Ooh. That Swing Hot got him already this morning. That Swing Hot. Look at that, everybody. That Swing Hot already got him early this morning. Wow. All right. There it is. That Swing Hot by Megabass right there. Good morning, everybody. That Megabass Swing Hot Popper is already putting in work. So we are real happy with our testing right here. This popper's doing it. All right. All right. There he is right there. Got him on that Megabass Swing Hot. All right. There we go. Sling blade. Up you go. You're coming out of there. There we go. Oh my God. It's a little one. Not what we were looking for, but it's on the board. That little bass right there. Wanted that Swing Hot right there by Megabass. It wanted it, so we gave it to it. All right. There he is. That little one wanted it. Megabass Swing Hot. Not the biggest bass in the world, but he wanted that top water. All right. There we go. There we go. Get up out of the weeds. Woo! This one is. There we go. Woo! Nice. Nice. That was huge. Look at that one right there. On that Swing Hot. On that Megabass Swing Hot. Boom. Nice. There we are. That's our nice one right there. Megabass Swing Hot, man. This Topwater Lure is awesome, man. And I'm really digging the fact that those hooks down there rotate, so it's hard for them to throw it. So this is a really good one. Nice one right here. Probably about 2 pounds right here. This is a good fish. All right then. There it is right there. That is a nice one. Nice one right there. Woo, all right. There we go. There we go. Woo! There we go, everybody. All right. Woo! Look at that. Early morning. There we go. All right. Look at that, everybody. On that Swing Hot with the modifications. On that Swing Hot with the modifications, man. We already in the game. All right. All right, there he is. Right there. On that Swing Hot with those modifications made. Couldn't resist it. Already hit it. All right. Everybody's Topwater Johnny here. Got this nice one here on that Swing Hot with the modifications made. So it just proves that what I was doing to it made it a better lure, making it work out here. All right. Nice one right there. Oops, there we go. Nice one right there on that Swing Hot modifications. There we go. There's a little one. Whoa, that's a nice one on that Swing Hot. Wow. That was a nice one. I thought it was a little one. Woo! Look at that. Oh my God. I doubled up. I doubled up. It appears that is historic. The little bass bit the lure, and the big bass bit the bigger fish. Oh my God. That is crazy. That is rare. Look at that. Look at that. That Swing Hot caught the little one. And then the big one ate the little one, and I brought both of them in. Incredible. Look at that. Everybody's talking with Johnny. Look at that. Did you see it? The lure caught the little one, and the little one got bit by a bigger fish. That was incredible. I think that's a rare moment right there. So I think that goes in the history books. 2 on 1. All right then. Look at that, everybody. 2 on 1 lure. That is a rare thing there. That is a rare thing right there. Look at that right there, man. He won. He wanted the little bass, and little bass wanted the swing hot. Well, there you go, everybody. I think the swing hot has proven that my modifications really, really work. So on that one, I'm probably going to call it quits for this session with that lure. But man, what a way to close it out. 2 bass on 1 lure. The little one bit the swing hot, and then as I was bringing in the little one, the bigger bass hit that one and brought that one in. And you saw it here with Topwater Johnny. That has to be rare. I mean, I don't know how many people have done that before, but that was incredible. So I'm just really excited about that one there. So like I said before, that kind of closes out this session here, and I'll just give you my closing thoughts in a few moments. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed that video. It was starting to rain, so I had to get inside the house, but I just wanted to close this out and say thank you guys once again for watching one of my videos here. Also, that was a very unusual and rare moment for me. I'm not sure if you ever experienced that before, where a little bass gets bit by a bigger bass and you bring them both in. If you've ever had that happen before, I'd love to hear your story about that experience, because that is pretty cool there. Next thing on the list is the text alert. Please, if you haven't joined the text alert so that you're alerted when I drop new videos, and also for my giveaways, then I want you to be on that text alert, because I'm going to be starting to release that at the end of the month here. And once again, as you see below here, it is 31996. Text the word Topwater, you're on the list. Text 31996 and the word Topwater, you're on the list. That way, later on, I can send you alerts when I drop new videos. But then also, that's your way of being a part of my giveaways when I do giveaways. Also, please subscribe to the channel as well. Later this week, I'll be doing my top 5 topwater bass fishing lures for the fall. So that will be the next kind of educational video that I'll be dropping later this week as well. I just want to thank each and every one of you guys for being a part of my channel and supporting me, and just letting other people know what we're doing over here, because I think we're doing something special, and I just want to keep providing you guys with the best content possible when it comes to topwater bass fishing. So once again, I want to thank you guys, and want to say that phrase, keep your line tight, because when they hit that topwater lure, it's going to be a big bite. All right.